Our judicial system is one of the bedrocks of our country. Unfortunately, it can also be used against innocent people as a weapon. Malicious prosecution is when the government prosecutes you unlawfully for a crime or a private person files a frivolous lawsuit against you. Victims of malicious prosecution often feel unsafe, harassed, or intimidated. If you suffered from malicious prosecution in North or South Carolina, you are not alone. Let's talk about the forms of malicious prosecution and how a civil rights attorney can help you fight back. Many different acts may trigger a malicious prosecution case. For example, the prosecution brings a case against you based on witness testimony that they know is false. A police officer has a personal dispute with someone and fabricates evidence of probable cause to arrest them. Or let's say a former client sues you and your business for fraud when actually no fraud ever occurred. Regardless of who it is or how they're doing it, using the judicial system maliciously can cause serious and lasting harm to the victim. Malicious prosecution can lead to you being unfairly tried for or even convicted of a crime that you did not commit. This is a criminal injustice, an abuse of the very system designed to protect us all. Just an accusation can lead to terrible consequences for an innocent victim. People can lose their jobs, reputations, and families based on a lie. And if you are wrongfully arrested or wrongfully convicted, this destroys your credibility and limits the resources you can use to fight back. If you are the victim of a wrongful prosecution or conviction, hope is not lost. You can continue to fight, bring new evidence, and present your issues to the court to try and get your conviction overturned. Now, you do have to try to overturn your wrongful conviction in order to sue for malicious prosecution. In order to prove a case for malicious prosecution, you must show that the individual or government actor initiated a case against you, that case was initiated with malice or malicious intent, that the prosecution of that case was without probable cause, likely stemming from a wrongful accusation or fabrication of evidence, and that the case terminated in your favor, which means a dismissal, being found not guilty, or that you were later exonerated. If your case is successful, you may be entitled to compensation for humiliation and loss of reputation or standing, pain and suffering or emotional distress, injury to mental or physical health, loss of time in relationships or with family, and punitive damages in certain situations. A civil rights attorney can help you pursue maximum compensation for the harms that you may have suffered through malicious prosecution by providing objective advice and support, investigating law enforcement recordings, reports, policies, and practices, filing a complaint on your behalf as needed, reviewing autopsy, DNA, and medical examiner reports, seeking negotiated resolutions, and representing you in court if necessary. At James Scott Farrin, we can help you even if the charges were dropped or the lawsuit was withdrawn, or if you have other criminal charges on your record. Don't fear retaliation by law enforcement. We have the experience, resources, and passion to seek justice for you. And there's no need to worry about cost because we advance all costs of fighting your case. And if we don't recover compensation for you, you don't pay any attorney's fees at all, guaranteed. For a free professional opinion of your case with no obligation, call or visit us online today.